I've been seeing this everywhere on TikTok, on Instagram, and I finally have it here and I can share with you guys my thoughts on it. So this is gonna be a first impressions review video. So I hope you guys stay tuned, subscribe to the channel if you aren't already, and let's get into it. So this is what the wand looks like, ladies and gentlemen. All right, okay, we got some product on here. Okay, let's give it a go. Okay, for one coat, it's actually, wow, okay. Okay. That's just one coat, mama. What? Okay, hold on. Okay, let me do this side. Hey yo, hey yo, hey. Ugh, I don't, oh my God. It's fine. Rule of thumb, if your mascara like does that, wait until it dries and then like scratch it off. I hate when this happens. You know what? I'm relieved that this was in stock because I'm still trying to get the lipsticks, the liquid lipsticks, like the MVPs and whatnot. They stay out of stock. And I like to like fan out my eyelashes just like that, like on the side. Okay, first off, can we take a moment for this quality? Ladies, this is one coat, and this is coming from me. Like, I love packing on mascara, but I think one coat is enough. Ooh, ooh. Do you see the side? Are you guys taking in the side? Especially with this lash right over here, or maybe this lash. Ooh, they're both doing it. Okay, let me do a second coat. I ain't gonna lie to you, I was pretty skeptical. And girl, wow. Come up with the brown though, Fenty. Fenty, come up with a brown, boo. I wanna try out brown this summer. I wanna do it. Cause I typically go for the blackest black, like, you know? But let's explore. Let's have some fun with it. Second coat for me personally, and I'm just gonna throw it out there. I feel like I'm a mascara expert. At this point, I'm a mascara expert. Let's be real. I think you're fine with just one coat. Truly, because what else are you doing here? These don't look like they're mine. Is it also grabbing a lot of product than most mascaras? Okay. It has my stamp of approval. I don't know if you guys picked up on that yet, but I absolutely love this mascara. I don't think you need 2 coats. I think it does a beautiful job with just one coat, which I'm really like, how? Like, I don't know, maybe the one packs more product than, I guess, the mascaras that I'm used to wearing, but I really, really do like it. I give this a 10 out of 10. I am kind of shocked. I wasn't expecting it to be this nice, I'll be honest. But I am pleasantly surprised. Truly. I am a huge fan of Fenty Beauty, like hands down. However, I just wasn't expecting the mascara to be this good. So shout out to Fenty. So I would highly recommend this for obviously the mascara itself, but also the price point. The price point, I believe, is 25 or 27 Canadian dollars. And I was like at Sephora and I was like, wait, whoa, what? Like, I was expecting it to be in the 30s, but I was really happy to see it was in like the 20s. So, kind of hope they come out with a brown one. I feel like that's what's gonna happen. I don't know. I have a feeling they're gonna come out with a brown one. That's just the vibe that I'm getting.